Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make our passport size image with different background. In our previous video we saw how to make our passport size photograph with the same background. We did not change the background in that video, but in this video I will show you how to easily change the background of passport size image. So for that we have to go to Adobe Photoshop. Here the window is open. Again here from file menu go to open option. Here the same image I will open. Now to change the background of this image you have to use a new tool here from this menu, lasso, that is called polygonal lasso tool. You have to select the tool. When you select the tool, you have to increase the size of the image by clicking. Alter space, left click. This will decrease the size of image. It will zoom in, and if you want to zoom out, you have to press Control space, left click. So this much size is sufficient to select the image. Now see, I will start my selection from this part of the image. I will again increase the size, or I will zoom out. From here I will start the selection. In this way you have to select the image. Different photographers or the Photoshop designers use different tools to select the images, but here I will go with this lasso tool to select the image. This is one of the easiest ways to select the image. After selection you can change the background of any image. So it will take time to learn selection. You have to practice this selection with different images, and once you get the practice you can easily select the images. There are other certain ways to select the image also that I will show you in my next video, but this is the video for beginners. If you are a beginner in Photoshop, you can select the image with the help of this tool. If by mistake you select the wrong portion, you can press the delete button to go one step back. See, here I have by mistake selected the wrong area, so I will press the delete option, and again I will go restart my selection from here. With space you can drag it. Again I will press delete. passport size photograph, you have to select, fill your pocket, and from this again you have to go to the same point from where we have begun our selection, that is this part. Now the selection is completed. I will zoom in so you can see this blinking part is the selection. Now see, our selection has finished. We have completed our selection. Now we have to give it a feather. Feather is given to the image to when we will cut and paste it in other file, so it will look natural. It will not look like you are pasting the image. So it will get a natural look when you give it feather. To give the figure, to give feather, you have to press Alt S plus F. Alt S F, that is called feather selection. For this purpose, you have to give 2.3 pixels. Feather radius is 2.3 pixels. You may give 2.5 pixels also, but 2.3 is enough. By typing here 2.3, you can say OK. Now your image has got 2.3 feather. Now after that you have to copy this selection. For that you can press Ctrl plus C. Now this is copied. Now you have to take new file. Here, as I told you, you have to take for passport size photograph. Once again I will repeat, new file, width 1.5 inches and height 2 inches and resolution 300 pixel per inch. So this is the new file. Just here you have to paste the copied image by Ctrl V. So this is the pasted image. You have to adjust this image by pressing Ctrl T, drag it to the desirable size in this way. So see, you can see here a new background. You can take any color of background here. So if you want to keep white background, you can save it as it is. If you want to change the background, you have to again follow simple steps. You have to select the whole area by Ctrl A, then again Ctrl Shift Alt N. It will create a new layer. I will repeat again, Ctrl Shift Alt N. This has created a new layer. And which color you want your background, you have to select from this yellow color chooser or color picker. So here I will go with blue color. Blue color has been selected. Now you have to press Alt plus backspace. In this way this new layer will appear here. So your whole area is seen blue here. So your layer, your image, your photograph, you have to bring it forward. So for that you have to press Ctrl Shift bracket. In this way this layer will come front and the blue layer will go backside. So in this way we have changed the background of this image. Now the next part, we have to give the stroke or the border to this passport size image. The same path we have to follow. Again I will have to create one new layer. For that select Ctrl A, whole area is selected by Ctrl A, then Ctrl Shift Alt N. This will create new layer. Now new layer has been created, so we have to give stroke to this new layer. For that purpose, go to edit menu and select stroke option. Here change the color, keep it white and 30 pixel and say OK, keeping it center. So this is how we have changed the background of this passport size image. Now your passport is ready. Again, if you want to multiply this passport photograph into multiple copies, again same procedure you have to do. Go to the define pattern option from edit menu and click on define pattern. Give any suitable name if you want. If you are not giving any name, here the computer gives default name to this pattern. It is given pattern to say OK. And again now take new file, that is 4:6. It is default size 4:6 photograph. Keep 300 resolution and say OK. Again rotate the canvas because it is vertical canvas. Make it horizontal canvas and fill here. This is the recent pattern I have defined. In this way your passport size 4:6 image is ready to get printed. If you are having a color printer at your home, you can print it at home. If you don't have a color printer at home, you can get its print from the lab. In this way we have seen how to change the background of your passport size image. If you like this video, do like and subscribe my channel.